These are carrot and goat cheese scones, and they are not dry at all. For baking, I really recommend weighing your ingredients with a scale. It's cleaner, it's easier, and you don't have to play games. Yeah, get a scale. So, adding my dry ingredients together, there was flour, sugar, some salt, and butter, and some gochugaru, which adds a really nice flavor, as well as a little cumin. And this is how I combine my butter because I have hot hands. Add some carrots, some goat cheese for tang, and your liquids, which in this case was just some heavy cream. And now I'm stirring it together, adding a little more liquid as necessary, but you want to stir until you get a certain consistency. And it may take you a few tries, but you can add your gochujang, which adds a really lovely smoky flavor. And you want it until it's a little difficult to work with, but beautiful. Now I scoop the scones into a pan. You can press them in for shape. And then it's time for them to go in the oven. And I wait oh so patiently. These are worth the wait though. Here you go. Carrot and goat cheese scones.
It's so good. It's really good.